Hey gorgeous sewing lovers, welcome back to Sewing Inspo. Today we're diving into a super essential sewing skill, how to sew something together. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this is for you. So how do we sew fabric together? Let's find out. Before we start, here's what you'll need. Fabric pieces, needle and thread for hand sewing, pins or clips, scissors, a sewing machine, if you're machine sewing. Got everything? Great, let's move on. Step 1. Preparing your fabric. First things first. Place your fabric pieces together with the right sides facing each other. This way, when we flip it later, the seam will be hidden inside, giving it that neat professional look. Use pins or clips to hold the fabric in place so it doesn't shift while sewing. Step 2. Choosing your stitch. Now we have two options. Hand stitching. Perfect for small projects or delicate fabrics. A basic running stitch or back stitch works great. Machine stitching. Faster and stronger. Use a straight stitch for most projects or a zigzag stitch if you need a little stretch. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Step 3. Start sewing. If you're hand stitching, thread your needle, tie a knot at the end, and start sewing small, even stitches along the edge. If using a machine, set your stitch length, place your fabric under the presser foot, lower the needle, and start sewing slowly along the edge. Backstitch at the beginning and end to secure your stitches. Step 4. Finishing up. Once you're done sewing, trim any loose threads and press the seam with an iron to make it lay flat. If needed, finish the raw edges with pinking shears or a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying. And just like that, you've sewn your fabric together. That's it. Now you know how to sew fabric together, whether by hand or machine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sewing Inspo for more easy and fun sewing tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite sewing project? I'd love to hear from you. Happy sewing and see you in the next video.